So we're on the way to a friend's house. Have the drink holding in between my thigh. It's raining. Then tomorrow morning when I have to go home, it's snowing. Midwest is not the place to live.
I said, girl, why you keep calling? I said, girl, why you keep calling? Yeah. She said, I need a new whip. Yeah, cause I know that you're still ballin'.
And my throttle's broken, so because like a piece of it broke, so I can't even wheelie now. So I have to now wait to order a new throttle. And we're wearing the full face, luckily, with a ski mask, so we're chilling. Just only have my front brake, sadly. And Holman made a new ordinance for my bike, where the Red Star T20, of course, has to be legal. Oh. Ah, great, we're illegal. Again. And I have to watch out for cat cars. Note to drivers, let's not be parking over the crosswalk. It's an asshole move, especially for kids like me. Fuck. Nope, it's not. It's yeah, up here. So it's the next day. I'm going home from the sleepover, and as you see, it's the Midwest and it snowed. So I have to pack up my my mom's motorcycle cover for my bike. Yeah, I'm gonna say do not leave my battery out. Yeah, once again, throttle. Okay, let's get this fold up. Back, rubber. We'll figure out how to pull this thing out. Right, no. Pick up batteries here. Looks like this should be focusing out. And shove this in my bag. We got everything ready to go. Now it's finally time to ride. Anyways, we're going home. We'll like go through the snow a little bit. We'll go explore. I'll go riding later, probably. And we can actually get a good ride in. But mainly right now, my friend's just getting home. So, I guess that's, yeah. I'll record the basic content. This is the Midwest weather. Y'all seen the beginning of the video. Y'all know it's raining. There's no snow. And now the whole thing is covered in like inches. Overnight. It's warm enough for it melted the road at least, but it's like basically it. I'm not trying to get stopped by the cop either, because now it starts holding illegal bikes, I guess. So pretty cool. I'm not gonna post in the winter though, so we're chilling. Oh yeah, it's like so smooth. I need a new throttle though. I'm gonna order one soon though. when I get I have the money for it. It's just it was my claim to Rich Star. Like they sent me $500, and my motor only cost whatever. So I just need to clarify the receipt with my dad, and my mom will give me the rest of the money, and then I can buy the stuff I need for the bike. So I like winter a lot. It's my favorite season. It's just cold, and yeah, I don't know. Just also Fortnite Winterfest. Oh, it's gonna be so fun to go at this now. Oh, we're gonna go hit this now for sure. Oh yeah, snow's so nice, so lovely. I also love my American Legion. Ooh, they like do these like Christmas trees, and they're really cool. Ah, what? Didn't see the puddle. This actually should do that. Can't even feel it. Oh yeah. Frick that. My chain's weird, so my pedal's like locked. I can easily fix it, but I like it just because it's more like a touch now. Easier than like keep trying to make them stay still, they just stay still. Not so cramped. It's a weekday too, and it's Thanksgiving break, and it's like they instantly knew what to do, because like the day of winter or Thanksgiving break, they like said, yeah, let us know. That's the nice thing. I also have a river limit, so I'm not trying to ride in so much snow. I do want to ride in some snow. Hey, this used to be a playground in here. It was a parking lot. That used to be all playground for like pre-K or something, for elementary school. Oh god, oh god, dude. I don't know if y'all can see that, but that big gust of wind. Oh god. Yeah, this is super slippery. Like, oh. Alright, I thought my brake went out. I want to say thank you to my subscribers. Since we're gonna be thankful for stuff around. Oh fuck. Since we're gonna be thankful for the sense, like the thankful time. I'm gonna say thank you to all my subscribers. Especially this one dude. He comments. I don't even think I know him from his YouTube thing, but he comments every video, and he's just super nice. He likes the content, so I just want to say thank you to him. You know who you are. I think you might know who you are. By the way, I'm describing you, but you know. Subscribe, notification bell, everything.